Rusted lawnmower blade. We're going to derust it using water electrolysis. A positive to your sacrificial anode, and negative to your part. If we start to see bubbles, we know it's working. Bubbles beginning to form right there. Okay, still derusting this blade with a better method of more sacrificial anodes will make it work quicker. Now this will take hours, sometimes days, but it is the most thorough and probably one of the better methods. It's easier on the metal. You want to be ultra careful not to do this in your house or in your basement, because the bubbles coming off the part you are cleaning is a flammable gas. Hydrogen is an ultra flammable gas.